How to get void check online, Bank of America. Hello everyone, I'm Anna here to guide you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first thing that you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and move into your site Bank of America. Here you need to enter your username and the password and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, it will land you on this interface. Once your account is loaded, click on the checking account where you want money to be on the account page. Find the services section and click on more services. Next, on the right side, find the how do I section and then click on set up direct deposit. Then scroll down the page and enter the percentage and employer or payment issuer name, and when you are ready, click on download PDF. It will open a PDF document with few details that will help you find the void check. Scroll down and you will get to see your actual check. As you may notice, there are void letters on it. You can now send this document or print it. Then you can either provide this document or cut out the check and hand it to the peer. So that's it, and this was the tutorial video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Please leave in the comments down below. Signing up until next time.